Welcome fam, time to learn how to trade fast and maximize your gains from Pump.fun. Let's go. Check out this informative Medium article for all the alpha on how to spot a Pumpfun gem, link below. We're gonna open up Prodigy Bot. If you don't know how to set up and load a wallet, check out our Solana trading video. So first up, paste your Pump contract. You will get some info about the token. Top right shows your wallet balance. Below is info on token price, liquidity, and bonding curve progress. Sometimes the data needs a quick refresh to be updated. Hit refresh a few times and it will appear. From here, we can plan to make a purchase. You can set up default buttons if you are a frequent user of the bot, or you can manually decide how much you want to spend each time. Okay, now we have the data, we are ready to buy. Let's lock in a trade. Hit spend X Sol, reply to the message with the amount you want to trade. Once you reply, the bot sends a lightning-fast transaction. After successful purchase, you are going to be presented with the Trade Monitor. This is a menu that allows you to manage your purchase token. We can set up auto sells, including at a gain or at a lower price, essentially a stop loss. In this example, we are going to set up an auto sell at higher price. There are two options for auto sell at target % gain, or sell at target market cap. Click the middle button below auto sell to cycle between the two. Let's aim to sell before this hits bonding curve. We are going to set a target market cap of 64,000. Click high MC and reply with your target. The desired number will then appear in the button. Then click amount high %. This is the amount of your token holdings you want to sell. We are going to sell all of them, so 100%. Again, your response will appear in the button once confirmed. Finally, make the order live. Click Auto Sell, a green tick will appear plus a message in the Trade Monitor to show the order is live. You can change your order at any time, just go through the above steps. You can also have a stop loss set at the same time too. Use the same steps on the low target buttons. Finally, if you get impatient, you can manually sell. Hit the desired options and you will get a message showing the transaction. And that's a wrap. Now you can buy, set orders, and sell like a pro on Pumpfun. Time to lock in those gains.